Okay, so when you're looking for a mid to small cap company with a lot of growth potential, how do you see them, how do you work out that that company is actually a good buy and worthwhile investing in?
When people focus on small to mid caps, they often associate with being higher risk, and they associate blue chips with being lower risk. But I would probably question, I mean, is a blue chip business a household, well-known business, or is a blue chip company one with a solid balance sheet? Within the small and mid cap end of the market, there are a lot of high quality businesses with sound financial metrics. So the first thing we look at is we have a top-down investment approach. We'll firstly look at the macro environment, determine what's happening in the economic framework globally.
Yep.
So if you take, say, the last month in February, we had utilities down under pressure, we had real estate investment trusts, we had the telecommunications down significantly, and that really has to do not much with the fundamentals or the underlying business, but more with this macro framework, higher yields, putting down pressure on yield trades. So rather than focusing on yield trades, we look for sectors of the economy that are booming. So we've had healthcare do very well. That's an overseas exposed sector that's been benefiting from the emergence of middle classes, but also synchronised growth. Things like IT, for instance. So once we've identified sectors of the economy that are booming, have a bright outlook, we'll then do the bottom-up stuff. We'll start looking at the fundamentals of the companies. We'll look for businesses with growing earnings stream for the last 3 to 5 years, growing revenues, very low levels of debt, for instance, high return on equity, because we feel as though that those businesses in the right sectors will have the best chance of succeeding long term. So we keep it pretty simple. We're not there doing quantitative or financial modelling or anything like that. We look at the businesses that sit in the sectors with the most growth potential.